Hello guys, welcome back to Patience Cooking. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos, and to my all returning subscribers, thank you very much. I love you guys so much. Today we are making toast bread with cheese eggs. This recipe is very easy, simple, and it's something that you can make in no time, guys. Let's dive into making this recipe. I'm going to be using six slices of bread in total, and you can use either 4 or it just depends on how you want it to be. And this is very soft cheese that I'm using for this recipe, and later I'll add chicken slice, and then you can also use a beef slice for this recipe. I first put some mayonnaise before I put the cheese, and then later on I put the sliced beef and chicken. I'm using both for this recipe, and then later on I added the slice on top of it as well. So I actually just keep repeating the process till I get what I actually want. After which, the last slice of bread that is supposed to be on top, I use a glass, a whiskey glass, to bore a hole that I'll be able to put the egg on it. It's very easy. Take a look. There you go. Yeah, I also repeated the process, and that is me cracking the eggs, and voila, it is done. Then I put some black pepper, a pinch of salt, and then I decided to bust a hole so that it should be able to cook and go right inside. Now I'm getting it ready for it to be baked. Actually, I added some cheese. The cheese will help to make taste delicious, and it also makes the meal looks very beautiful. So I added some cheese, and then I baked this in the oven, preheated oven, for 200 degrees in 15 minutes. So I sliced a bit of parsley so that I can use it for the color, and it will garnish with. And there, guys, your recipe is ready. As I said, it's simple and it is super delicious. You must try this at home and let me know how it turned out. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this recipe, please like, share, subscribe, and see you in my next video. Thank you, guys. I love you. Bye.